last month we did around 586K. Last month we did around $788,000 on this one. And then last month we did around 586,000 on this one.
Jeez, that was fun.
Well, this week cameras.
Nah, don't worry about it. How much do you think I made? Yesterday was Black Friday. How much do you think I made on Black Friday?
Okay, per day, 100K.
Okay, you got it right. 100K.
Diamonds on the neck and on my wrist. Now they trying to get me out of mix. That's why me and bro, we don't mix.
What's up, guys? So last month, just a couple of my businesses generated over, I think it was like $1.9 million in revenue. And I wanted to show you guys kind of what a day in the life looks like. Like, this is super raw. This is not the type of content I'm used to making. I'm used to making like more tutorials and stuff, but I wanted to make like a super raw, authentic video of showing you guys like what the day of a life looks like as someone, you know, in their 20s, making literally over $1 million a month. And I'm currently here in Dubai, actually, and I'll show you guys. But just to show you guys some proof as well before we get the video started, so you know, like, I'm not capping, I'm going to show some of my stores right here. And by the way, these are not all the brands we run. I actually have more brands that I've invested in and more companies that are generating even more money that I can't show, but these are the ones that I can be a little public about. So let's go through it. Right, so I'm gonna have to blur out the name just to protect myself and the team, but this is the first brand. Last month we did around 586K. We're gonna go to the second brand right here. Last month we did around $788,000 on this one. And let's go through this one as well. And then last month we did around 586,000 on this one. And I think that's really, those are the main ones I can show you guys. I'm gonna have to blur all this out, but like there's a lot here. Yeah, if you just add that up, that's gonna be around 1.9 mil, and that's in 1 month. That's the month of, I'm filming this in November, so that's the month of October, and November we're actually doing a lot more revenue than that. But it is around 9-ish a.m. I'm gonna go get some breakfast and bring you guys with me, and I'll actually show you where I'm getting breakfast so you guys can see. There we go. Look at that, guys. We're getting breakfast down there. That's the breakfast spot. We're staying at the 5 Lux. Great hotel. Yeah, but it's a great time here in Dubai. We're gonna get some breakfast, meet up with some friends, pick up some whips. I'm gonna show you guys what a day in life looks like. So without further ado, let's get into my morning routine, which is absolutely fucking nothing. The first thing I did was work, and I still do that to this day. Like, whenever I wake up, the first thing I always do is go straight to the laptop and start working. You do not need a morning routine. You do not. I'll see you guys in the next clip. One thing that people do not talk about enough is when you travel, you have to live out of a suitcase, which, like, it doesn't suck. It's just, it isn't the best thing in the world. It kind of sucks. All right, let's be real. I prefer to have a big closet with all this stuff in it, but I travel a lot. This year alone, I've probably been to, like, I think 20 different countries. We travel a lot. Some of it's for work, some of it's for like just pleasure, but just in general, a lot of traveling is happening. And most of the time I'm living out of a suitcase, which is, it's funny. It's like I'm re-wearing the same black t-shirts, but I have millions coming in every month. So like, it goes to show there's not like one way to live once you start to make money. Like when I first started to make money, I remember I used to live like, I bought designer for a bit and I was doing like that kind of route. But then I got to a point where it was like, I don't really care. So I just want to travel. So I don't know. Some of you guys might glorify that though. So it's pretty cool. All right, guys. So we got a McLaren for the day. Well, actually, we got it for a whole week. Pretty nice car if you ask me. I have a Lambo back in Miami, but I missed my McLaren, so when we came out here in Dubai, it was like, might as well get the McLaren. It's 2025, dude. This thing is so futuristic. The thing is, guys, supercars are nice. What's even nicer is the fact that I can, and this is I just want you guys to take this as food for thought. I can stay in this hotel in the suite and drive the supercar rented, so it costs like $1,000 a day. I can do that for the next 10 years and not work and be fine, right? And that's why I can show you guys this, because I'm not glorifying a lifestyle we don't live, right? And I don't say that with ego, I say that with transparency, right? Because I just want to be transparent with you guys. But yeah, the people are looking at me funny now, so I'm gonna get out the whip. But so far, so good. I'll see you guys next clip. All right, guys, so we just got ready for the yacht, heading over to meet up with some of my friends now. So I'll show you guys the fit so you can see what we're rocking with. Literally nothing, just a black t-shirt and some black shorts. But damn good looking body. A lot of people who know me know that I literally do not wear anything but a black t-shirt. If you go to my Instagram, all my pictures are with a black t-shirt. I've always been like very simple in terms of clothing. I never really like bought a lot of stuff. I prefer just to wear a black t-shirt everywhere I go because it looks good. But that's besides the point. So with that being said, we're gonna meet around some cool friends of mine. A lot of them are millionaires. Most of them do e-commerce as well. It's one of my friends' birthday. Shout out Ludo. So we're just gonna meet up with him on the Saturday in Dubai. Perfect weather outside. It's really nice. And yeah, guys, let's get to it.
Look, tell a man no trouble. I don't want beef, man. I just want vibes. Big man like me, no need for the telephone hype. I got too much getting online. One rule, then I'm on.
Yo, with the boys right now.
Yeah.
Hey, yo.
From Miami to Dubai.
Yo, how was Black Friday?
Black Friday went crazy, baby.
Hey, yo, Arslan.
Yep.
How's Black Friday going?
Amazing, bro. Amazing.
What's the biggest rev you've seen today?
Yesterday, 1.5.
1.5 million in one day. Is e-commerce dead?
Yes.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Just, no, don't do it. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
E-commerce been dead since 2015. Dropshipping doesn't work. I think you should just go back to your 9 to 5.
You heard it here, folks. You heard it here. I mean, shit. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yo, we're gonna get rowdy today, though. What's the plan for today?
I think the plan.
Oh shit, no, this is
we're gonna party.
We're going to Bangkok. Right to Bangkok. Let's go, baby. All right, Josh. 99% of the people that watch me are in the dropshipping niche and they're trying to dropship. What are your thoughts on the people who make dropshipping content, excluding me obviously? What are your thoughts on the guru space, the people who like teach e-com and whatnot? And this is coming from someone who's done millions in e-com.
I think you guys need to be careful because if you guys are trying to learn from someone who hasn't actually done what they're teaching, it's gonna hurt you guys in the long run. And piggybacking off of what he said, 40 million in revenue in 5 years. Cheers, baby.
Hey man, that's not normal. The shit we do is not normal.
No, it's not. And what's also not normal is all the Colombians upstairs, so I'll be right back.
Alright, that's a segue right there. Let's get it.
A little bit of party, never get nobody. Come, let's move our body. Come in.
Alright guys, so we just hit 100K day yesterday. One of our dropshipping stores, check that out. Refresh so you can see it's legit. So yesterday, the whole day, I was on a yacht. And that goes to show it's not about working hard, it's about working smart. But what's the smartest thing you can do that can get you to 100K a day with dropshipping? Well, it is not going to be running shitty products. It is not going to be having a general store. And I'll tell you for a fact, it is not going to be with TikTok ads. Look, if you want to make really good money with dropshipping, like I'm talking like really good money, like we're out here in Dubai, you guys know I really live it up here. The secret to the sauce is really just 3 things. 1, Facebook ads. 2, good content systems. And 3, products that sell a shortcut. If you sell products like shapewear, right, with a high AOV, meaning you price your product higher than everyone else, you have a lot of content and you have a really good Facebook ad strategy, it's very easy to get to these results. I know guys that'll look at that 100K a day and think I'm nothing. And I'm not really much, but I can tell you guys, speaking from experience, speaking from my own trials and tribulations, if you want to make this game work, you have to focus on the right things. Be careful who you listen to. Before I speak with my mouth, I show you guys my results. And a lot of people can't do that, right? And the reason they can't, obviously, is because they don't do the results themselves. So before you listen to anyone online who's teaching you how to make money with dropshipping, validate them. Are they actually making money with dropshipping? When was the last time they launched a store? Guys, most of the dropshipping gurus out there, not to say any names, they don't even do dropshipping. Like they literally don't. Like that's not their business. Their business is to make you YouTube videos. So when you're gonna spend your hard-earned money on ads from their strategies, just remember that they don't actually do it. Now, on the other side of that, we do. We really run this shit up. We've been doing it for a long time. If you guys want more content on how we're doing it, be sure to follow my page. I love you guys. Peace out.
All right, we're in the whip here, looking good. I gotta show you guys something really quick before we go to, right now, just an update, we're headed over to the mall to meet my dad. But I wanna show you guys something really quick.
100K yesterday. Today just started. It's not 15K. It's only been like, I think it's like 1 hour in the day or something like that. EST. Guys, it works. And the cool thing about the art of ecom is it's all about your marketing. And once you become a good marketer, God, the money just flows in. All right, we're gonna go to the mall. I'm gonna catch you guys there. All right, guys, we made it to the ghetto Dubai Mall to meet up with my father. So now that the car is parked, I have to figure out where I parked it and head to the mall. See you guys inside. Just found the father in Dubai. What are we doing in Dubai?
Having fun?
Having fun.
Yeah. And
Do we look alike?
why do your head look so much bigger than mine?
Because I'm smarter.
No, well,
Okay, we're gonna get some food, guys. We're gonna do some wholesome activities. This is a day in the life video I've been doing. Yeah. I've been filming for 2 days now. So yeah, we made it. All right, we're gonna get some food.
We're gonna get some food.
All right, he likes the whip. It's nice though, right? It's a good one. Supercars bring fathers and sons together around the world. Nice.
Dropshipping.
When in doubt. Okay. All right. This is becoming a vlog of a car vlog, honestly. He's having fun.
Where are all the speed cameras?
Nah, don't worry about it. We're here in the McLaren. How much do you think I made? Yesterday was Black Friday. How much do you think I made on Black Friday?
Okay, per day, 100K.
Okay, you got it right. 100K.
Oh my God! I must be on that.
Yeah, let's show the camera. I'm gonna blur the store out, but yeah. 100K.
And this wasn't pre-scripted, by the way.
This was not pre-scripted. Not at all. What's up, guys? Heading over to the gym right now. It is a Sunday morning here in Miami. Gonna just get some footage at the gym. Hopefully we can clip this up, see if we can get some good stuff out of it. You know, it's been a chill day. I just landed back from Dubai yesterday, so I'll keep you guys posted how the day goes. I don't know if I should wrap it or not. I think I might do satin black with a white. This thing is never easy to get into, I cannot lie. This shit is so uncomfortable. Last footage we had, I was driving in Dubai in a McLaren. Now I'm in Miami in a Lambo. That's kind of cool to think. I'm in different cities, always in different whips. I prefer to switch up the whips a lot too. I don't like to just have like one car. You know, you can have a supercar and drive fast, or you can have a supercar and drive slow and get attention. Or you can do both. Alright, we're gonna go find this videographer. Alright, so we're waiting for Chris. If you guys know who Chris is, he's been in some of our past videos. He was the stranger we found for our last big video, where we took him from being like a newbie dropshipper to a pro dropshipper, helping him make his first $1,000 profit online. Now I'm about to take him to the gym here. I'm just waiting on this dumbass to come out.
So yeah, I literally just made a down payment last night for my SPJ. It was about like 300K, but I mean,
Yeah, he's up now. He's up now. He lives in Miami. He's got
2 SPJs on the way. I'm about to cop a Bugatti Chiron, and then like I'm thinking
a Bugatti.
yeah, Bugatti baby. Yeah.
You live in Dubai as well, right?
Yeah, I have 2 cribs here in Miami, Dubai. I literally just bought, so he lives in.
Yeah.
I just bought. So now he pays me rent right now. So
Yeah. He's up.
It's been amazing, man. You know.
Just finished a crazy fucking leg day with the glorified student right here. You can't just train the mind, you gotta train the body as well. What good is 20 mil in the bank if some meathead is gonna steal your girlfriend, you know what I mean? Isn't that right, Chris? Always right, always right. So Chris, are you gonna start a personal brand? The audience wants to know.
Yeah, I'll definitely start a personal brand, but after I make good money with e-com, so I would say about 150K profit once I get about there.
Are you gonna regurgitate all my teachings into a course?
Not really. I want to do a mentorship. I don't really want to do a course. An actual like one-on-one mentorship where I help people, like legitimately, not like some bullshit course. Like one-on-one where it's like, okay, they have the problem. You know, weekly calls, group calls. You know, text me anytime. Just like if you have any problems, because there's a lot of bullshit that I went through that was unique in my journey. You know, to get to where I'm at and also where I'm going.
So he's plugging his mentorship in already.
I thought I'd just pick up the camera and talk a little bit about what my day-to-day has been looking like living here in a penthouse in Miami. Being a 20-year-old multi-millionaire in Miami, a lot of people think, oh, this guy probably has a crazy, extravagant life. Well, guys, I spend most of my day in here. This is my office. It's a makeshift office, by the way. We have the yin and yang. All jokes aside, though, most of my days do consist of me just working. A lot of people do look at Miami as like a crazy party city, but I've always told people, if you live out here and you're able to basically overlook the partying, overlook the lust, and you just stay to yourself and work, it's a great city, right? But obviously Dubai is way better, but that's a story for another day. Guys, don't glorify the top because it's not that crazy, right? You should be working towards making more money so you can help yourself and your family. You can buy nice things. Like, of course, you need to make more money. But you shouldn't glorify it thinking these guys live a crazy life. They go out every night. Well, some of that is true. At the end of the day, it's just mostly work. That's all we do. And it's not because we're depressed or because we have nothing else to do. It's because that's what got us here. That's what got us fulfilled. And that's what keeps us going. The reason why people that make so much money work so hard and they continue to work even after they made money is not because they have to work. It's because that's what makes them the most fulfilled. And ironically enough, work being fulfillment is what drove them to being rich. Once you start to enjoy the journey and you start to like what you do, and you're actually working because you want to grow yourself, and you want to grow the businesses, and you enjoy doing what you're doing, whatever that be in dropshipping, in agency, in trading, it doesn't matter. You start to become rich within and then obviously externally as well, right? The bank account starts to go up. And that's the secret to it all. Once you guys love the grind, you will, I promise you, make so much more money. So anyone who's watching this that's in the position where they're working really hard to just make something work, and maybe they're waiting for the outcome, they're waiting for the end result, just remember, the guy who does not give a shit about the end result is lapping you every single day, mentally and physically as well.